Hey there, John with American Pool and Spa. We're on another exciting pool build this week, and I thought I might take a little time to show you a thing or two about our plumbing. We, unlike a lot of folks in the pool industry, use 2-inch instead of what's long been the industry standard, 1.5-inch pipe, which affords you better flow rates, which is always good for getting your water filtered, cleaned, and enjoyable to swim in. I've just now completed our return manifold. Once we get the pipes ran up to the equipment, I'm going to install it right here, and that will give the homeowner complete control over every line returning to his pool. These are Jandy ball valves, very easy to open and close, not like those old gate valves you used to have to turn forever and got rusty. And if it ever needs to be serviced, they have unions on them, which makes it very easy to get to the innards. And again, this is how easy that ball valve opens and closes to allow water through. Another thing we pride ourselves on is that we give every line going in and out of that pool its own individual run. So 20 years from now, if something happened and one of these return lines went bad, all you'd have to do is put a plug in your pool, close this valve, and everything else is running and doing what it's supposed to do, which allows you to continue enjoying your pool and address the problem at your convenience. When a lot of other folks would like to put all of their returns on a single line going into the ground, so if you have a problem in one place, you have a problem everywhere. This system is going to be very nice for the homeowner. It's Hayward, which is a company that we trust and have a lot of dealings with. This right here is Hayward's Omni pump. It's some variable speed, and with it we've really kind of upped our game this year in installations. One of the beauties about this pump, as I said, is its variable speed, so you can really set it, even if you want to have a timer to do so, set it to run at different speeds during the day and the night, which can really end up helping you with the electrical bills as summer progresses. Now, just a couple little features about this pump, other than the fact that you can program the speed you want it to run at. Obviously, like all pumps on the market pretty much, you do have a basket in here which will allow you to catch debris that manages to get past your skimmers or comes from your bottom drains, and that way it'll get caught in here and not muck up your filter, which is always good. And also, if you'd like to take a look, here's the control pad that comes with the pump. You can see the different speed settings and the menu options. However, usually when we install this, you'll end up with a control box on your wall next to your pump, which is just a little bit more convenient than having to reach down here and manipulate buttons. Instead, you can be like right here and adjust the pump as you wish. Let's move on to the filter. Here we have our Hayward S310 high rate sand filter. This beauty can really help keep a pool clean. We actually don't use sand very much. We will if a customer requests it, but we actually use glass media, which is precision chipped to allow it to filter at a much finer level than sand is capable of it. And also, when you use glass in your filter, provided you take care of your pool and you backwash it regularly, you should never have to replace your glass, whereas with sand, you have to replace it every 3 to 5 years. This particular filter has a side mount multi-port, which I really tend to like. Very easy manipulation for your different settings of filtration, backwash, rinse, waste, what have you. Just a really good filter to have on a pool, and it won't let you down. And then finally, that brings us to the heat pump. Now, one of the things I really like about these is its ability to extend your swim season. Now obviously it's not going to let you swim in the middle of July like a gas heater might possibly be able to do, but this could easily add a month or two on either end of your swim season, which is, I think, highly desirable. It also has a very easy user interface. It just has an on and off switch, a setting for if it was connected to a pool or a spa, and temperature up and down, and then that's it. It has a thermostat in it, of course. It'll run up to the temperature that you desire, and then it will cut off and then maintain. A really nice addition to any equipment pad. So basically, in conclusion, this pool with its 2 skimmers, its bottom drain, its 3 returns and 3 deck jets is going to be very well served by this Hayward equipment set. I'd just like to thank you for your time, and stay tuned and check out how this pool progresses. Thank you very much.